Welcome to TD Tech and Digital. My name is Marvelous and I'm here to tell you why your YouTube channel is not growing and how to fix it. Now, stop blaming the algorithm. Your YouTube channel is not growing, not because YouTube hates you, but because you are making these 3 critical mistakes, and if you don't fix them now, you will keep posting with no results. You are uploading videos, but views are low, subscribers are not increasing, nobody is watching till the end. You even tried better camera, editing, posting more, but still nothing is working. So let me show you the real problem and how to fix it. The first mistake is no niche. You are confusing the algorithm. Right now your channel is doing everything. Today motivation, tomorrow business, next one entertainment. That is a problem, because YouTube does not know who to show your content to. Now, to fix this, pick one clear niche. Ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? For example, YouTube growth, making money in Nigeria, business ideas. There are a lot of them. Now listen carefully. Don't just pick a niche, pick a problem. Example, business. How to make money in Nigeria. That is what people search for. Mistake 2, no search-based content. This is where most creators fail. You are posting what you like instead of what people are searching for. Nobody is searching for my YouTube journey episode 1, but people are searching how to grow on YouTube, why my videos are not getting views, how to make money online in Nigeria. Now, to fix this, before you post any video, ask, is someone searching for this? Use this formula: how to, why, what is, how to make money, how to grow my YouTube, why am I not having views on YouTube, what is the problem affecting my YouTube watch. Step by step on how to work on YouTube and how to post on YouTube. Example, my experience on YouTube. Why your YouTube channel is not growing? That is why this video will get views. Let me give you a tip. Go to your YouTube search bar, type how to grow YouTube. You look at the suggestions. That is exactly what people are searching. Mistake 3, no retention. This is the real killer. You may get views, but if people don't watch your video, you will not grow. YouTube promotes videos people watch, not just videos people click. Signs you have low retention. These are the signs for you to know that you have low retention. People leave in first 10 seconds. The watch time is low, no engagement. Now, how to fix this? Don't say, hello guys, welcome back. Nobody cares. Start with, if your YouTube channel is not growing, this is why. Now, secondly, remove long intro. Get to the point fast. Thirdly, everything else is later. Create the curiosity. Say things like, make sure you don't miss mistake number 3. This keeps people watching. 4, speak clear and fast. Don't drag your words. Energy equals retention. Power shift is important. Now, growth on YouTube is not luck. It's a system. If you fix your niche, your content strategy, your retention, your channel will grow. Now, the final warning: if you continue like this, like posting random videos, ignoring search, losing viewers, you will stay stuck. But if you apply what I just showed you, your next videos will perform better. Your watch time will increase. Your channel will start growing and growing and growing. If this video helped you, comment fix on the comment section. Which mistake are you making? Ask, which mistake are you making? Like this video, subscribe now, because I will show you how to grow and monetize your channel step by step. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube, follow it, and like and share the videos to someone that may need it. My name is Marvelous from TD Tech.